Hello traders, we are back with this week's fresh analysis of 4 key market symbols. On the gold chart, within the current downtrend, there is a possibility of forming a 3-wave pattern. Considering the structure of this downtrend, it is expected that in this current support zone, we could see the beginning of an upward trend. Based on the price action at the resistance trend line, we may observe either the continuation of this upward trend or a new downward trend on the chart. The likely scenario is that the price could continue its corrective and downward movement toward the support levels we have specified. By holding this support zone, we could expect the beginning of an upward trend. The bullish move could progress toward the resistance levels we have identified. However, if the support zone is broken, and the continuation of the bearish trend on the chart would also be possible. On the Euro-USD chart, given the bullish trend and the ABC pattern we had considered, a diametric pattern could form on this chart. In this range, we expect a 3-wave ABC pattern to take shape. Wave B could be completed at the previous top or at the resistance zone, and with the completion of Wave B, we could see the start of a corrective trend as Wave C. Once Wave C is completed, we can expect the main bullish trend to begin, and the price could break above this previous high. If it stabilizes above this level, the trend may continue toward the resistance targets and a 161.8% level. On the other hand, if the price breaks through the support zone and the previous low, we may witness the continuation of a corrective and bearish trend on the chart, which could develop into a prolonged phase. On the Bitcoin chart, given the bullish trend and the reactions around 161.8 level, we have observed price reactions here. In this area of the chart, there is a possibility of forming a triangle pattern. By holding the 78% level, the corrective trend may continue, and within this range, the probable scenario would be a trend reversal and the start of a bullish move, provided that the price manages to break above the resistance zone and consolidate above it. This would also allow the price to progress at least toward the resistance levels we have specified. Based on the price action in this area, we could see the continuation of the bullish trend on the chart. However, if this level and the support zones are broken, we can expect the bearish trend to continue on the chart, with corrective movement extending to the 78% level. Depending on the price structure in this area, we could expect a bullish trend, otherwise a prolonged and exhausting correction may unfold on the chart. Next, we have Dow Jones. On the Dow Jones chart, given the bullish trend and the reactions at the 100% level, we expect the continuation of the bullish trend in this zone. Here, it is also anticipated that within this current support area, some corrections and also consolidations will take place before continuing upward on this chart. If the support zone is broken, the corrective trend could extend toward the support levels we have identified, which could serve as the minimum targets of the bearish move. In this part of the chart, we expect the formation of a triangle pattern, which could complete the corrective and bearish move at the specified support levels and lead to the beginning of a bullish trend on the chart. As long as the price does not strongly break below the bottom of the wave B in this area, the bullish trend remains a probable scenario. However, if this level is broken, the bullish continuation will fail and the corrective bearish trend could form on the chart. That's the full breakdown for this week. Drop your thoughts in the comment and stay tuned for the next update.